Have you been hearing people talk about write better headlines, how to write headlines, how to get people to react to your headlines? And you've been wondering, why do headlines even matter? Well, let me share with you exactly why you should be working on writing better headlines. All right. So look, if this is your first time seeing my face in your feed, hello, how you doing? My name is Alease Michelle, and I am a marketing coach for coaches, and I help coaches just like you create and build successful coaching business by selling digital products and creating monthly coaching programs. All right. So look, headlines, why do they matter, right? Why do they matter? Well, headlines are the first thing that potential clients see when they come across your content. You want people to stop and take action on what you are posting. You want people to see what you have to offer and take the next step. And when they do stop and take action, you get results such as you get more reach in your post, you get more engagement, and which leads to more sales. Right here, you see sales that I've gotten month after month selling digital products. You see an increase in my reach, in my post engagement. All of this comes from writing better headlines. So today, I want to talk about how to write headlines, how to become a good copywriter, because this is what copywriting is all about, writing good headlines that stop people in their tracks and actually take action. So let me share with you how to write better headlines. Okay. All right. Okay. So the first step is that you want to understand your audience. We always want to do that. We always want to understand where our audience is coming from. You want to know what your audience pain points are, their goals, their desires, and will help you craft a headline that speaks directly to them. So when you know what their pains are, you know what their goals are, you now can create headlines that speaks just to that. So the next thing is focus on the benefits, right? So highlighting the benefits of your content will make it more attractive to your audience. Instead of just talking about the features, like, oh, it includes 8 weeks of this and you get 800-word article. No, talk about what and how it is going to benefit them in their life, in their business, how when they have a 400-page article, how that article they'll be able to post on their blog, which is now going to help them build authority, help them become seen as the expert. See, instead of me focusing on the 800-word article, I am now focusing on what that 800-word article will do for them. Totally different. All right. So, step 3 is to use power words. Power words are going to be emotionally charged words that can trigger a response from your audience, right? And these are words that make people just tingle inside, like brilliant or recognizable or excellent. These are power words that actually bring people like make them pay attention. So we want to use more power words. Now, look, don't worry, because you're saying, Elise, you're taking me through these steps, but I still don't know really how to apply all of them. Well, I got you, because I'm going to share with you how to create these in the 3 different types of headlines that you can create. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay. All right. So here are the 3 headline formulas that you can implement right now, and when you start writing your captions. All right. So let's get to it. Now, before I go into it, just a quick reminder. Here's what you're going to want to do. You definitely want to go ahead and take a screenshot of this, or make sure you get your paper and pen out and make sure you take notes on this, okay? Because I'm going to be dropping some examples. I'm going to be dropping some gems, okay? All right. Okay, so let's get going. All right. All right. So the first type of headline that you can create is the how to headline. The how to headline is followed by a verb that describes the action your audience needs to take. So the examples that you see right now are how to boost your productivity with these simple techniques. Boost is the verb. How to boost verb your productivity with these simple techniques. The next one is how to build a successful coaching business from scratch. So, boost and build are verbs. I absolutely love a how to headline. Most of all my headlines that I use are how to build, how to get, how to write, how to design. All of it, I'm always using how to because that's the easiest way for me to create headlines that I know is going to attract people. Because who doesn't want to know how to do something? Like, even if it's a secret and they feel like they might already know how to do something, people still want to know how to do something. So, how to is a really powerful headline that you can start to implement into your copywriting as you're posting on your social media, as you're sending out emails, as you're titling your videos. All of these are really important to know how to create these headlines that actually get people to click and take action. Okay. So that's number one, how to headlines. Number two is going to be list headlines. And list headlines is when you use numbers to provide a specific amount of information. Okay. List is all about the list. Everyone wants to know something about the list, right? So 10 secrets to unlocking your full potential. 10. 10. People are going to be like, oh my gosh, like, they're gonna give me 10 secrets on how I can unlock my full potential. And all I need to do is probably implement one, but I'm gonna have nine more. Y'all, people love a list. They love a list, right? And then you got five essential habits of successful coaches. Now, that could be five, that could be 20, that can be 15. The numbers can be really large or it can be small. Sometimes if you're dealing with an audience that likes for you to keep things concise, then keep your numbers small. If you're dealing with an audience that likes a lot of information or information hoarders, then the numbers can be larger. Okay. Sometimes when you use numbers like 101, people are really curious about what are these 101 ways. So sometimes larger numbers actually gets people attention as well. Okay. So that's number two, the list headlines. Okay. Number three is going to be the question headlines. Okay. The question headlines pose a question to your audience that they may be asking themselves. So question headline could be, are you making these common mistakes? Or how can you overcome imposter syndrome as a coach? Now, these are questions that I like to implement that are questions that actually are coming from my audience. Like, how do you, I know someone asked me right now, how do you find royalty free audio? Okay, that's a question. And that is how I can start my headline. That's how I can title one of my videos or title my email, How to Find Royalty Free Music. That's a headline that I can use. So, questions, list, and how to's are really powerful headlines that you can implement right now in your caption writing or copywriting skills, right? You got the basics of being a copywriter. Okay. So, effective headlines can make a significant impact on the success of your coaching business. They can attract new clients, it can increase your engagement, and it ultimately can help you achieve your goals. And that's what I want. I want to help you to achieve your goals. I want to help you sell more of your digital products. I want to help you get more clients into your monthly coaching membership programs. This is what copywriting will do for you, and learning how to write headlines to make that happen for you. All right. So look at this. I challenge you to take action today. I want you to start implementing these tips into your headline writing process. And don't be afraid to try new things and test what works best for your audience. Testing is where the power is. Learning what to do, what works and what not work. And when you find that post that works, guess what you do? You just rinse and repeat. All right. So, look, guys, that's how you write headlines for your social media posts, for your emails, for your video titles. Start implementing some of the tasks and skills and strategies that I shared with you today on how to write headlines. All right. I will be talking to y'all later. Peace out.